Powerhouse Fitness, and I'm gonna show you how to do a proper T raise, okay? So basically back extension, but with your arms right out to the side, okay? Think like a plus sign or a letter T, of course. So coming down onto a yoga mat, make sure that you've got enough padding for your hips, okay? I know that's a common complaint with people when they go to do the extension part, they're like, ow, my hips. Listen, okay, whatever you think you need, you grab a couple mats, 5 mats if that's what you need, all right? So we're gonna start with just body weight, so T extension. I'm basically gonna look straight down at the ground, okay? Pull my shoulders away from my ears, reach my arms out to the side, and remember, do the best you can to try to get those thumbs up, okay? If you are really tight back here and you're finding that it's really hard for you to do, just do the best you can, try to get those arms out. But what I don't want you to do is go the other way, okay? So not like this. So turn so that the thumbs are up as best you can, okay? Right out to the side. Keep those shoulders down away from the ears, face down, squeeze your abs, squeeze your butt. I want you to lift like somebody pulled your thumbs to the ceiling, okay? And then you're gonna lift your body, okay? So think about squeezing the shoulder blades together. Nothing crazy aggressive, but just an understanding that you are squeezing the shoulder blades, the middle back, okay? And then coming straight up from there. So there's a couple different ways you can play this game. You could go arms first, right? So you're lifting, you're squeezing the middle back, and then you're lifting through the back extension, okay? You can do it in one motion, whatever you'd like to do, but really don't forget about the core. Make sure you're keeping your abs tight, make sure you're squeezing your bum, and making sure you keep your neck neutral by looking straight down when you lift your arms up. Contraction here in the middle of the shoulders. Do the best you can to keep your arms straight. I broke my elbow a couple years ago, so even when I try to straighten it, it might not look straight. I'm trying, okay? But do the best you can, okay? If you're really tight again through the thoracic chain, especially up into the tricep and the lat, you might not even be able to get your arms straight. So listen, if this is the best you can do, it's the best you can do for now. You're trying to make yourself better, right? Okay, so T. If you feel like you're a master at the T raise and you want to add a little bit more challenge, you're going to add some weights, okay? Again, don't be crazy here, okay? You're going to need to start very, very light. I'd say 1 to 5 pounds maybe maximum. Again, with the T raises, I think the heaviest I've seen with proper form is probably 10 pounds. And that was a very seasoned athlete. So don't be a hero here and go with like the heaviest weights that you can possibly find. This is not the exercise for building mass, okay? This is an exercise for proper muscle activation that you could use before you were exercising or even just as its own workout, okay? I love this one. I always feel so much better. My shoulders feel better when I incorporate T raises into my routine. All right, so I'm gonna take the weights and remember what I said earlier. You want to try to get that external rotation in the shoulder, so you wanna try to turn the weights up. Now these weights are great because I literally just plant them on the ground. They kind of help me out that way. Face down, shoulders away from ears, squeeze my abs, squeeze my bum, and then again, I'm gonna lift and lift, squeezing my shoulder blades together, okay? And everything comes back down again, shoulders down, arms as straight as I can keep them, okay? Squeeze my abs, squeeze my bum, and then lifting here, looking straight down at the ground, okay? So again, focus on this part, okay? If all you wanna do is lay here, you can flex your toes and focus more on the actual shoulder and back component and just look down at the ground, lift and squeeze, and come back down. It's really important you keep your neck neutral. I don't want you doing this where you're cranking your head forward, okay? Neck neutral, look straight down at the ground. All right, the last option here is with a resistance band. For the T raise, I would go pretty light. So I picked the red band here. Don't go crazy heavy with this one until you've done it enough times that you feel confident that you could try to go a little bit heavier. So this one here, I'm gonna take the band, but I'm gonna turn my palms up, thumbs out to the side, okay? So I grab the loops here, thumbs out to the side, and I'm gonna come back down into my back extension position, and I'm gonna pull the band out. So there's tension on the band already, okay? Facing down, shoulders away from ears, squeeze my bum, squeeze my abs, exactly the same form we had. Thumbs up, and this time I'm gonna squeeze my back and pull my arms up just like this, okay? And relax down here. Again, shoulders down, arms out, okay? So it's exactly the same thing, but I'm just gonna keep that band pretty taut. It usually falls like somewhere like chest area, okay? If you're feeling any discomfort or pain, you could bring your arms down a little bit more and kind of look a little bit more like an airplane. But remember, the goal is to be the letter T, okay? So out to the side. So hopefully those are a few options that you could try at home. Just again, remember, squeeze your abs, squeeze your bum, neutral neck by looking straight down at the ground, shoulders away from ears. You don't want to be doing a T-raise that looks like this, okay? Shoulders down, focus on engaging in the middle of your back. Try to keep the arms as straight as you're able. Thumbs up, okay? Lead with the thumbs. And yeah, hopefully incorporate this into a regular workout, a warm-up, whatever you think you need. But hopefully you learned a few ways that you could make this a little more exciting for you at home and do it properly, okay? Until next time, guys, see ya. Have a good one. Stay fit, okay?